Racing just is started. We have Manly break quickly at a start. Pleasant Girl in the portion. Diamond are forever. Lady Jaja comes next. Newsmaker Atoy for us is down on the inside. Zol Invictus comes next. Semper Fidelis winning Habit Royal Family, while in the nick of time is the early trailer by about 14 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Pleasant Girl by our length and a half, and in second is Diamond are forever. Lady Jaja, Newsmaker, Soul Invictus, Cesari outside Pip, Semper Fidelis comes next. Atoy for us Manly winning Habit. Then next online is Royal Family, while in the nick of time is still reigning at the tail of the field. Back to the leader, we have Pleasant Girl, Newsmaker, Cesari outside, Soul Invictus, Diamond are forever. Moving up now on the outside is Semper Fidelis. Then next online is Lady Jaja winning Habit. Royal Family, Manly, Atoy for us, and in the nick of time is still running at the tail of the field. Last 400 meters of the race, we have Semper Fidelis, Soul Invictus, Newsmaker winning Habit. Now moving upon the outside as they swing for home. Semper Fidelis, Soul Invictus is down on the inside with about 100 meters of the race. The stablemate now firing out for the lead. Semper Fidelis, Soul Invictus is down on the inside. Soul Invictus, Semper Fidelis, and finally Semper Fidelis. Soul Invictus winning Habit, Royal Family, Lady Jaja. Then comes Diamond are forever. Newsmaker.
Lalabas.